Now, if you're a mobile user, I'm going to show you how you can get this app on Play Store or the App Store. So if you're on Android, go to Play Store, and then over here you need to search for Gettr, Gettr. That's how it is spelled, and you will get this app over here. If you click on it, this will open up the app. Now I've already installed the app. You'll get the option to install it, so just go ahead and install it. Once done, just go ahead and open the app. When you open it up, it looks something like this, and then it takes you to the home page, which looks like this. Now obviously, if you're visiting the app for the first time, this is how it will look. You'll get three options at the bottom: home, search, and inside search you have trending, people, different data available over here. And then you can go to accounts, and this is a similar process. Before you can start using the app, you'll have to create an account. So just go to the account section, click on create your account, and that will ask you to put in your username, all the other details, and that way you can sign up for this platform and start using the app. So it seems very straightforward. Some of the main highlights of the app are that you can post videos of up to 3 minutes length. You could make the post of 777 characters, and other highlights are that you could actually edit the videos within the app. So these are some of the main highlights of the app. So just go ahead, and if you haven't joined it, go ahead, give it a try, and let's see how that works, and let's see if this is going to be any sort of competition for Twitter in the future. So that's all for today's video. Hope you like it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you get notified for any upcoming videos like this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.